YouTube, what's going on? Listen, I know I'm not in my car today and y'all can't see me in my work clothes. I know y'all look forward to that every single day, but I don't have work today and I'm just leaving the gym. I decided I might as well just record this video anyways. But yeah, as an entrepreneur, it's a lot of things that are real important. Some things more important than money, bro. And one of those things is time. Time is so important, it might actually be the most important thing if you're trying to make it. All I'm saying is, it should be your priority to take advantage of your time. Like me, for example, right? Why do you think I make these videos while I'm in my car driving home from work? Or in this case, walking home from the gym? It's because when I get home, I got things to do, bro. If I was to drive home and then record the video and then edit it, all that's gonna do is sink into my time where I'm supposed to be creating my business, you feel me? So you have to take advantage of your time. Now my example is pretty extreme because I don't think a lot of y'all are doing exactly what I'm doing, but that doesn't mean you can find a way for it to apply. But in general, you should just be an opportunist. You should take advantage of any little thing you're doing and ask yourself, how could I use this to improve whatever I'm trying to achieve? And you take that same mindset and you put that into your time as well. But yeah, just think about that the next time maybe you're procrastinating or maybe you're delaying something. You got to take advantage of your time because for all you know, if you keep waiting, you'll never make it. You'll never achieve that goal that you're trying to achieve. That's really all I got. I had a nice little boxing workout, man. I'm about to go get some food and get some work done. All right.